Here is a video that will review how to divide with decimals. I'm going to assume that you're pretty comfortable dividing. We're just going to focus on how the decimal is placed in the quotient. First of all, take your problem and ignore any decimals that you see. So we're going to pretend we don't even have a decimal. We're just going to do the division. So here's our divisor, 11, and we say, does 11 go into 2? Nope. Does it go into 27? Yes, it does. It goes in there 2 times. So we put a 2 up here, and that's 22. So 27 minus 22 is 5. And then we bring down our next number, which is 6. Does 11 go into 56? Yes, it does. 5 times. 5 times 11 is 55. And I subtract again, and I get 1. Bring down my next number, which is 9. And does 11 go into 9? Yes, it does. 1 time. So 1 times 11 is 11. We subtract and get 8. Bring down my last number, which is 8. So now I have 88. Does 11 go into 88? Yes, it does. 8 times with no remainder. Now I want to put my decimal in the quotient. As long as you have a whole number as a divisor, you can just move the decimal up. So remember, we talked about if you don't see a decimal, it's hiding at the end. That means it's a whole number already. So in this case, I can just move the decimal up here like this. So there's my quotient with the decimal. The second example, I think you can see, uses the same numbers. Again, we have a divisor that's a whole number. So we can just take that decimal and move it straight up. So 251 and 8/10 for that example. Here's another example with the same numbers, but now the divisor is not a whole number. So watch what we do here. We want to move the decimal to make it a whole number. So we're going to move this 1 place. So we'll move this one place, and then we're ready to just move the decimal up. So then we take our decimal here and just move it right up. So our answer is 25 and 18/100. On this second example, we're going to move the decimal 2 places, 1, 2. And that means we have to move the decimal 2 places here, 1, 2, and then we're ready to just move it right up. So then we'll grab our decimal and just move our decimal right here, and our answer, our quotient, is 2 and 518 thousandths. That's all for now.